Hey, what's up, guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I think could have the potential to do very well. I saw some new designs pop up in the Amazon search results, and when I saw it, it pretty much caught my eye right away because usually political, presidential niches tend to do very well on Merch by Amazon. And so I saw a few new results for this, and I thought this would be a good one to share with you. Now, well, first, the niche is Brandon won, Karen lost, just deal with it. And basically, what it's referring to is that Joe Biden won and that Trump lost. So it's a good political niche, presidential niche. Now, if you look at the results, there's only 97, so there's barely any competition for this. Now, but if you look at the BSRs, none of them have sold yet. But I would not be like distracted by that or think that that's not good because there was a niche actually just a few days ago, something about how we're not just tacos, something to do with tacos and Jill Biden. And I saw that the niche was trending. There was some new designs up, but I saw those designs with like no BSR, so I thought nothing of it. I was like, oh, people aren't even buying this. Well, I checked today, and a lot of those T-shirts now have like BSRs in the 200s and the 100,000s. So these shirts might be selling; they just haven't been updated yet, or the BSR. Like I know I've had a sale before. Then when I check to see what the BSR is, it hasn't. There's nothing that it hasn't been populated, or Amazon hasn't put it up yet. And so since this is a political niche, I think this could do very well. And there's very little competition. And it's actually pretty funny, to be honest. Karen won, or Brandon won, Karen lost. Just deal with it. When we look at on test to see if this is a niche that is good to go, we're going to see Brandon won, Karen lost, and when we hit enter, we're going to see nothing pops up, so it looks clean. When we go to Etsy, there's no results. There's just this one design, 4 results, so nothing. When we go to Redbubble, we're going to see also 19 results. And when we go to TeePublic, this one is also looking very low in competition, only 3 results. So, this could be like a really good niche to get into. It could be like the next niche that's trending on Amazon. And what you want to do is you want to, get in early, basically, because it might do very well, it might not, but you at least want to have yourself in a good position. Because if let's say this niche takes off, and then after a week you start to see the BSRs, then you start uploading designs. Well, by then there might be already 1,000 results, and it's too late. So even though you don't see any BSRs yet, don't be distracted by that. This could be the next big niche. So if you want to get some designs up on this, I know I'm going to start designing for this niche after this video, and hopefully we can get some sales from it. So that is basically it. This is the niche. Check it out. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, and I'll check you out on the next one. All right, see you later.